Well, hello once again, my friends, my fellow historians, and my fellow lovers of the beautiful SS United States. I'd like to welcome you to another video. Today is November 21st of 2025. And today's update in this video is going to be on the docket. I recently did the remediation updates for you, but this is going to involve the docket itself. The docket was updated on November 17th of 2025 on a Monday. And again, this is the New York Coalition to Save the Steamship United States via Okaloosa County, Florida, judged by M. Casey Rodgers. And I last did an update on the court docket on October 31st of 2025. Well, document number 35 was added on November 17th, and that was the consent motion for leave to appear in person by the New York Coalition to Save the Steamship United States Incorporated by James Maloney. And when we look at that document, again, this is document number 35, United States District Court, Northern District of Florida, Pensacola Division. So, unopposed request for adjournment of hearing. The New York Coalition to Save the Steamship United States Incorporated, respondent to defendant's motion for sanctions, document 31, respectfully request a hearing scheduled by the court for November 21st, 2025 be adjourned, as further indicated below. In support of this unopposed request, the undersigned avers as follows. I have conferred with opposing counsel who have indicated that they wish to appear in person and will be available to do so on any date during the weeks of January 5th through January 12th of 2026 or on January 19th of 2026 at the court's discretion. If this request is granted, I will make myself available to appear in person on that date. 2, I cannot risk traveling on November 21st, 2025 because that is the day that my current New York NYS enhanced driver's license expires. I have renewed it online and have a temporary document, but I may not have actual document until after November 21st. Nor do I hold a current passport. Based on my research and inquiries, it appears that TSA will not accept my temporary document once my current NYS enhanced driver's license expires on November 21st of 2025. So I may be prevented from boarding an airplane. Either way, the Pensacola on or the way back. I have no certainty that the new NYS enhanced driver's license before November 21st of 2025. 3, opposing counsel has indicated that they will appear in person, even if I were to appear virtually or by telephone on a scheduled date. Accordingly, I do not wish to appear virtually while the movant is the important motion will be appearing in person. 4, in accordance to local rule 7.1b, the defendant movant has indicated through counsel that does not object to the relief sought herein. Rescheduling of the hearing to any date during the weeks of January 5th through the 12th of 2026 or the 19th of January 2026. Respectfully submitted on 17th day of November 2025, James M. Maloney. So when we look back at the docket, there was another document added. This is document number 36, and that's the order plaintiff's unopposed motion to reschedule the hearing. Document 35 is granted. The court will hold a hearing on defendant's motion on sanctions from January 7th, 2026 at 1 p.m. in courtroom number 3, north of the United States District Courthouse, 1 North Palafox Street, Pensacola, Florida 32502. The proceedings will be recorded utilizing the court's electronic recording system. Any party desiring the services of a court reporter will be responsible for procuring such devices. Signed the Magistrate Judge Hope T. Cannon. Okay, so when we go ahead now and we look at that actual document, This is document number 36, filed on the 17th of November of 2025. The order. This matter is before the court on plaintiff's unopposed motion to reschedule the hearing on defendant's motion for Rule 11 sanctions. Document 35. Upon consideration, the motion shall be granted. Accordingly, it is ordered. The plaintiff's unopposed motion to rescheduling his hearing is granted. The court will hold a hearing on defendant's motion for sanctions on January 7th of 2026 at 1:00 p.m. Central Standard Time in courtroom number 3 north of the United States District Courthouse, 1 North Palafox Street, Pensacola, Florida 32502. The proceedings will be recorded utilizing the court's electronic recording system. Any party desiring the services of a court reporter will be responsible for procuring such services. There is a note on the bottom. If you or any party, witness, or attorney to this matter have a disability that requires special accommodation, such as hearing impairment, that requires a sign language interpreter, or wheelchair restriction that requires ramp access, please contact the clerk's office at least 1 week prior to the hearing, or as soon as possible so arrangements can be made. And that is the second document. So there you have it. That's the latest update on the court docket. And the docket was last updated on November 20th of 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's where the docket stands as of right now. Today, again, is November 21st of 2025, and the docket is up to 36 documents. It was updated on November 17th of 2025, and the next update, I'll be sure to make a video on it, as well as updates to the ship herself if anything changes. So my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys soon.